Got me another piece of tinfoil out here. We're going to do all our paints again. We're just going to go with maybe a different design. We're just going to see. Okay, now we're going to take our back piece of glass and we're going to lay it down to where it's mostly all covered. Now we're just going to press it down, get all those spaces filled in. Then we can take our hand, because you see how some of those spaces didn't get filled in. We can take our hand behind here and just use our hand and fill it in, see? All we do is lift it up. Now look at that. Look how beautiful. Now we're just going to lay this to the side and let it dry after we bust our bubbles. Okay guys, I'm going to show you our dried design on this glass. Is that not phenomenal? Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, remember this was done with, we did a Dutch pour on the tin foil, and then we set the glass down in it and made sure all the areas were covered. I'm going to put the gold leaf on the front, and we're going to try this time since that other did not work, okay? So we're just going to start here in this corner. I'm going to put me out some glue, and then I'm just going to do my little dabbing, because I don't want it to have a formed, you know, I want it to kind of be formed. I got an idea. Okay, let's do this corner. We're just going to work in two corners. Now let's take our dryer and just run over it just a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit wetter than damp, but we're just gonna go ahead and put it down. This time we'll put it down and we're gonna let it dry. Now when you have the gold leaf medium that you're supposed to have that I can't find, then you put it down and let it get tacky. You put it down, wait 15 minutes, let it get tacky. But we don't have that gold leaf medium, so we're just making do with what we do have. Okay, we've got both sides done. Now we're going to let it dry good, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, here is our part where we did the gold leaf. Now we're going to take a soft brush, and we're just going to get it off now. And you just brush on it just like this with a soft brush. Yeah, I can take our thing that it came in. You know, we have these little sheets because that's how they keep it, is between sheets. We can pick up all these little pieces because we can do another project with them. There you go. There we go, guys. Now we're fixing to put our sign together. Here's our sign that says blessed. And we're going to turn it upside down just like this. And I'm going to make sure, guys, that my word is oriented up that way so that these hangers will be in the right spot, right? Okay, now, we redid our sign. Y'all make sure you go and watch how we did this, because I've done a separate video to be able to show this wonderfully, because it is so awesome. And we're just going to literally, even the back is gorgeous. We're just going to put our second piece of glass in here. Then we're going to put our little frame in here. This is so awesome, guys. I'm so tickled with it. When you have a frame like this, sometimes you have to tighten these little screws down. See, this one it probably needs tightening. I'm going to have to get me a little screwdriver. That one needs tightening. That one seems pretty good. Okay, here goes. Oh, my goodness. Would you look at that? But isn't that just gorgeous? I love gold leaf. It just makes it look so beautiful. And I'm going to hold that up close so you can see. Look at the places in this. Oh my goodness, it turned out so absolutely beautiful. And like I said, my inspiration was for this was like the 50's diner where they had the red and the blue. But there we go, guys. All right, love you.